Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. My name is Kenny James Soto, and this is our group report titled The Childhood of a Pino, presented by Group 5. What is Pino? A Pino is someone who is exceptionally talented or admired, especially an up and comer. Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines, show amazing talent and potential even as a child, making him a true Pino. His earliest memories, as shared in his memoirs, give us a look at the key experience that shaped his character and mind. Jose Rizal, Early Memories and Family. Jose Rizal's first memory in his infancy was happy days in their family garden when he was 3 years old. Their courtyard contained tropical fruit trees, poultry yard, a carriage house, and a stable for the ponies. Young Pepe was weak, sickly, and undersized. He was given the fondest care by his parent, so his father built a nipa cottage for Pepe to play in the daytime. Memory of his infancy, the nocturnal walk in the town. Memory from his early infancy was the nocturnal walks in the town, particularly when the moon was shining. Jose also recalled the Aya, or nursemaid, relating to the Rizal children some fabulous stories like those about the fairies, tales of buried treasures, and trees blooming with diamonds. Rizal's spiritual tradition. One of his childhood memories was a daily Angelus prayer in their home. Rizal recorded in his memoir that by nightfall, his mother would gather all the children in their home to pray the Angelus. At the early age of 3, he started to take a part in the family prayers. Rizal early mourns. When Concha died of sickness in 1865, Jose mournfully wept at losing her. He later wrote in his memoir, "When I was 4 years old, I lost my little sister, Concha, and then for the first time, I shed tears caused by love and grief." Rizal intellectual curiosity and talent. At the age of 5, young Pepe learned to read Spanish family Bible, which he would refer to later in his writings. Rizal himself remarked that perhaps the education he received since his earliest infancy was what had shaped his habits. As a child, Rizal loved to go to the chapel, pray, participate in advanas, and join religious procession. In Calamba, one of the men he esteemed and respected was the scholarly Catholic priest Leoncio Lopez, the town priest. He used to visit him and listen to his inspiring opinions on current events and throughout life views. At the age of 5, Pepe started to make pencil sketches and mold in clay and wax objects which attracted his infancy. Alright, laugh at me now. Someday, when I die, people will make monuments and image of me. This is what Rizal said when he was 6 years old. His sister once laughed at him for spending much time making clay and wax images.
Pilgrimage to Antipolo. At the age of 7, Jose Rizal experienced an exciting journey when his father took him on a casco, a flat-bottomed boat with a roof, during a pilgrimage to Antipolo. This pilgrimage was undertaken to fulfill a vow made by his mother, who promised to take Jose to the shrine of the Virgin of Antipolo if both she and her child survived his difficult birth. The pilgrimage marked an important spiritual and cultural event in Jose's early life. Jose visited Manila and gift from his father. After the pilgrimage, Jose and his father visited his sister Saturnina, who was studying at La Concordia College in Santa Ana, Manila. Jose received a pony named Alipato from his father. Jose enjoyed riding this pony and taking long walks in the meadows and along the lake shores with his black dog Guzman. Rizal interest in arts and literature. Jose Rizal's mother encouraged his love for the arts, literature, and the classics from a young age. Before turning 8, Jose has written a drama, often described as Tagalog comedy, which has performed at a local festival. The municipal captain rewarded him with 2 pesos for his work, making his first recognition as a writer. Sa aking mga kababata, contrary to popular belief, Jose Rizal did not write the poem sa aking mga kababata or to my fellow children. It was previously believed that this was Rizal's first poem written at the age of 8. Jose Rizal's brother Pasiano reveals that he encountered the word kalayaan or freedom at the age of 21 was used in the poem, casting doubt on his authorship of it. Rizal's interest in magic. Young Rizal was fascinated by magic apart from literature. He read numerous books on the subject and learned various tricks, such as making coin or handkerchief disappear. Influence of Rizal uncles. Three of Rizal uncles played a significant role in shaping his interests and skills. Tio Jose Alberto inspired him to develop his artistic abilities. Tio Manuel encouraged him to strengthen his frail body through physical exercises. Tio Gregorio fostered Rizal with love for reading good books which deepened his intellectual curiosity.